Subtopic number 8, which is potential divider. So in this subtopic, you have to be able to explain the principle of potential divider and use the equation of potential divider, maximum 3 resistors only. Okay, so potential divider is used to obtain any smaller portion of voltage from a single voltage source. So it is done by connecting 2 or more resistors in series, as shown here. So since the current flowing through the resistor is the same, we know that the current will be equal to V over R, where the effective resistance is basically just R1 plus R2 because it is connected in series. So the potential difference across R1 will be given by V1 equal to IR1. Okay, so if we substitute these two equations together, we can get this formula here. Okay, so for resistor number 2 juga sama juga kita akan dapat this equation here bila kita substitute lah. So since the resistance is directly proportional to the length of the material, we can actually also let R here to be equal to the length lah. So instead of resistor kita boleh guna length. So this bit here is important for your final subtopic, which is on potentiometer lah. So kalau kamu boleh faham potential divider, kamu boleh understand potentiometer juga lah. Okay, so potential divider ni basically kamu apply the ratio of voltage to the ratio of resistance. Okay, so let's look at this example just to show you how we apply potential divider in a question. So for the circuit, we have to calculate the output voltage, which is the one shown here. So so we know that we can use the ratio of volt against the ratio of resistance. So this is the ratio of voltage equal to the resistor. So it's going to be R1 and REF, effective resistance. So this is R1, this is R2 lah. Okay, so basically this is the effective resistance lah. V out is, wait, I'm gonna do it in a different font, a different color. Okay, so this is actually equal to V1 over the supply voltage R1, which is the one that we are looking for, over the effective resistance. Okay, so actually dia macam ni lah. So the voltage of the resistor yang kita mau akan ada di atas, and this is the resistor of the voltage that we are looking for. Okay, so sekarang ni kita boleh substitute V out equal to 4,000 over 4,000 plus 8,000 times dengan V, which is equal to 12, which will give you 4 volts. So that is the output voltage across resistor number 1. So if a voltmeter of resistance 4,000 ohm is connected across the output, determine the reading of the voltmeter. Okay, so sekarang ni kita ada satu resistor kena tambah di sini. So lepas tu okay, so this is the V output sekarang yang kita perlu calculate lah. Okay, so this is R1, R2, R3. So R3 sekarang nilai dia berapa? Nilai dia 4,000 ohm. Dia ada additional value there. Okay, so sama juga kita, apa yang kita buat adalah kita ambil the ratio of the output over the supply voltage equal to the one that we are looking for, which is across these two resistor here. So this two resistor here is connected in parallel. So it's gonna be, wait, I'm just gonna write R13 over R13 plus R2. Okay, so this is basically what the equation will be. So what is R13? R13 is basically the effective resistance of these two. So since they are connected in parallel, it will be equal to this value here lah. Okay. So kamu just perlu substitute dalam ni. So 1 over R1. I'm not going to write it down, but basically you will get 2000 over 2000 plus 8000 times dengan the supply voltage, which is 12, which will then give you 2.5 volt. Okay, so it's basically just this is basically how you apply potential divider in the question lah. Okay, all right, so this is on subtopic number 8.